Hi, I'm Julia, and this isn't my shed. So today's little job is I'd like to weld a bar across here and then vertically, so that we can, when we're moving the loco, we can tie this bar, the drawbar mounting to something that's reasonably strong that will stop the loco from moving. Because even though I had the brakes on yesterday when I was moving the loco up the ramp, it did start to slide away from me. So I think having something reasonably strong here, like an L-shaped affair, I think that will considerably help making it more secure. So I'm going to have a rummage through my scrap pile and let's see what we've got. Okay, so I found some more angle iron in the scrap bin. So we're going to weld that onto there. And then we've got some angle pieces that will go on the front. I haven't cut these up yet. So the first job is to get the finger grinder in and try and grind our fingers. Okay, that's that done. So this will sit something like this, and then we'll have some right angle pieces welded like that. So I've got a couple, so I can do them at different heights. Okay, we'll carry on. Okay, so we've got them nice and clean, ready to go. I'll pop a bit of anti-spatter spray on. That's the Lidl branded stuff, and then we'll tack it up. Too bad. Starting to lift, so we'll try and tack this side as well. There's a bit of a gap on that side, so it's not perfectly straight, but it's close enough, I think. Okay, so I've used engineer's clamp to clamp this at just the right height. So I'll tack that in place and then we'll fully weld it. So, not brilliant welds, but I think they'll be strong enough. I'm not the world's best welder. I only weld about once or twice a year, so I never get the practice. That's a bit messy, but I think it'll be strong enough. My welding always looks better with a bit of paint on it. So reasonably pleased with how that's come out. So that's it all painted up and installed. So you can see there's a bolt holding that so I can give it a good shake, and it's not going very far. Paint's dried quite nicely. Yeah, I'm really pleased with that actually. That should just make it a little bit safer for me to transport this loco. Obviously now I've got the sweet pea, I'm going to be running it a bit more often, so I'll just take the covers off so you can actually see it. It actually matches the lifting table quite well. So yeah, so it's passed its steam test. The timing didn't sound particularly even, so I need to look at that next. So we'll get it on the rolling road. But yeah, we can move it safely now, so that's the main thing. So I hope you found that interesting, useful, and perhaps give you a few ideas. If you'd care to like, share and subscribe, I'd appreciate it. It does help the channel. And yeah, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.